If you're a big fan of Gordon Ramsay, the Hell's Kitchen Cookbook is fantastic. If you know of somebody who's a big fan, it couldn't be a better gift. This is a really nice quality book, beautiful jacket on it. When you open it up, it has so much to offer. Lots of recipes. As I was flipping through this, I even saw some of the contestants that were in here. I probably watched the total of 21 or 22 seasons myself a couple of times, my wife and I. So it was really exciting to be able to receive this as a gift, because now, I probably could have found the recipes online, or, when I watched the show, they always talked about some of the things that went into it, but now I get the actual recipes, and, you can tell it was actually written, at least parts of this were written by him, because his voice really comes across in some of the things that he says throughout this book. But I mean, again, look at the quality of the photos. He tells you about the plating and everything. I mean, I'm so excited to try some of these recipes here. But as I said, if you are considering purchasing this for somebody else who's a big fan of the show, that you're not going to go wrong. This is definitely a winner. So highly recommend it.